Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this tea that helped me to burn stubborn belly fat. This tea will help to cleanse your body. It will help you to pull all stubborn belly fat in the morning. Just take it before bedtime and see the magic the next morning. This tea will help to cleanse your system. It will help to get rid of waste, toxins that causes you belly fat. So if this sounds interesting to you, keep on watching and make sure you watch this video till the end. But before we get into this video, I appreciate you, my returning subscribers, you that is joining my family for the first time. You are highly welcome to this wonderful family. So do me well to like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and also hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell so anytime I upload a video you will get notifications. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this recipe. So this is my before and after when I started my weight loss journey. Of course, natural remedies has really helped me a lot with no strict diet, with no strict exercise. So I'm here to share with you one of the recipes that has helped me to burn that stubborn belly fat, especially after having kids. You know how difficult it is to lose belly fat, and most of us, we don't really have the time or the strength to engage in strenuous exercises. So you just have to improvise, taking natural teas that will help to burn that stubborn belly fat. Of course, you really need to eat healthy for this recipe to work. So our first ingredient we are using is ginger, already grated, because I wouldn't want this video to be long. And the second ingredient we are going to be using is turmeric powder, and the third ingredient we are going to be using is lime. So I'm using about 3 limes. I've already washed and sliced it, and the last ingredient we are going to be using is cinnamon stick. So to make this tea, in a boiling hot water, clean hot water, you are going to add 1/4 teaspoonful of turmeric powder depending on the quantity you are making. Allow it to boil for at least 5 minutes. Then you are going to go ahead and add in your cinnamon stick. So at this point I've already turned off the flame. So when you turn off the flame, you go ahead and add in your lime and your grated ginger. So guys, our tea is ready. So I added few slices of lemon into this tea. So this tea is to be taken first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and last thing at night before bedtime. This tea will help to cleanse your system. It will detox your body. It will help you to get rid of those toxins, those waste that accumulate at belly fat. We all know that the most easiest place in our body where we can accumulate fat or gain weight easily is our tummy. So this tea has really helped me a lot, and I believe it will also help you. Just take first thing in the morning and last thing at night before bedtime. It will help to boost your metabolism. It will help to curb your appetite, making you to eat less throughout the day. So feel free to add honey, is optional. So this tea will also help to glow your skin from the inside because it cleanses and detoxifies your body. So guys, I believe we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to share this video to your family, friends. Someone out there really needs this recipe, and also like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you so very much for watching, and bye bye. See you in my next video.